In this video, we're going to show you how to resize images in Obsidian. Images are often used in notes for diagrams, screenshots, references, charts, and visual explanations. However, large images can sometimes take up too much space, making your notes harder to read and less organized. Many users add images to Obsidian for research, study materials, project documentation, and content creation. But without proper resizing, visuals can disrupt the structure and readability of a note. The good news is that Obsidian provides simple methods to control how images are displayed inside your notes, allowing you to resize them and improve the overall layout. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to resize images in Obsidian and make your notes cleaner and more visually organized. So, let's get started. The first step is to insert an image into your Obsidian note. You can do this by dragging and dropping the image directly into the editor or placing it in your vault and linking it using standard embed syntax. Once the image is added, Obsidian will display it directly inside the note. Now, to resize the image, you can use Obsidian's built-in image sizing syntax. This allows you to control the width of the image by adding size parameters after the file name. For example, you can specify a pixel width to make the image smaller or larger depending on your layout needs. After applying the size setting, the image will automatically adjust within the note view. Next, preview your note to ensure the image fits properly within your content layout. If the image is still too large or too small, you can adjust the value again until it matches your desired size. Another useful approach is to use different image placements within your note. For example, placing smaller images alongside text can help improve readability and structure. You can also combine image resizing with folders and attachments organization to keep your vault clean and consistent. As your notes grow, maintaining consistent image sizes will help improve clarity and make your workspace easier to navigate. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, add an image to your Obsidian note. Second, use Obsidian's image sizing syntax to adjust the display size. And third, refine the layout to ensure your notes remain clean and readable. Remember that resizing images is not just about appearance. It's about improving readability, organization, and the overall quality of your notes. Well-sized images can make your notes more professional and easier to use for study, research, or content creation. Taking a few moments to properly resize your images can significantly improve the structure and clarity of your notes. And that's how to resize images in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.